Okay, so this is my Moto G7 that just came in from Amazon. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. So, first thing, box is a little heavy, probably about a pound or so. On the back, it's got all of the, includes the Moto G7 phone, the turbocharger, cable guides, a SIM pin, which is going to be helpful. Then just some of the copyright stuff. Over here, got the seal, Moto G7. Let's go ahead and open it. That's it. Okay. So, right up top, we got the phone. Take it out, and it's covered in this plastic protective casing, so we can slide it out of there. Okay, so that's the phone. My hand is decently big. Let's go ahead and power it on. While that's powering on, we're gonna open up the rest of the box. So there's this extra tray, more separation, and I think in here is gonna be all of the other stuff, papers and whatnot. Yep. So it looks like in here we got the README. At a glance, that's getting started, saying where everything is. All this stuff, how to put in the SIM card, charge up, etc. So this just looks more like the user manual. Set this aside for now. Here is the SIM pin. Use that tray. And it looks like the phone is it's up and running. It opens faster than my G5 Play that I have. There's all the legal safety regulatory information. And then in here, the turbocharger and the USB-C cable. And this looks like it's probably about a 3-foot cable. And yeah, that's everything in the box. Ready to begin phone setup.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Getting the newest smartphone on a great network is awesome. Getting it with a strict 2-year contract? Not so awesome. At Total Wireless, we have all of that. Well, minus that contract part. See, most people think the only way to have a great cell phone is to sign a contract with a major carrier. But guess what? That simply isn't true. And if you've noticed, in the last couple of years, even the major carriers are starting to move toward no contract. Well, why is that? Because consumers are making their voices heard. And more, they're ditching contracts for the services they rely on. Contracts are archaic, and we're finally moving on to something better. With a no-contract carrier, there are no surprise bills. You'll pay for everything you need up front. And you'll get the latest phones, Samsung and LG smartphones. They're all here with multiple payment options. And again, all without a contract. Sounds like a win-win, right? Well, others apparently feel the same way because there are more people switching to no contract than ever before. Think about that. And while you're thinking about that, maybe ask yourself, why haven't I moved to no contract? For more details, click on the link next to this video.
Oh, hey there. How'd you get into my bedroom? Just kidding. That bedroom wasn't even real. It was a cartoon, seriously. But here's something that is real. Mint Mobile. It's an awesome new way to get the wireless service you need, but for a whole lot less money, and without all the usual BS. See, we threw out everything that sucks about buying wireless and made something new, something better. It starts with buying in bulk. Instead of paying face value 1 month at a time, we let you buy a bunch of months at once. The more months you buy, the lower the price gets. We ixnayed all the retail locations too. Turns out, paying for stores and salespeople all over the country is expensive. We're digital only, so keep our operation lean and toned, and pass the savings on to you. And what are you doing with unlimited high-speed data? Running a server farm from your phone? No one uses that much data, but everyone pays an arm and a tail for it. We let you choose how much you actually need, so you never overpay for a bunch of data that just sits there every month. All of this means we can offer the lowest monthly prices in wireless. Oh, and our service rules too! So try us out. You can grip our 3-month introductory plan from just $15 a month. So, you have nothing to lose except all the moolah you keep forking over to big wireless each month. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, wake up, Kimosabi, because it's the future calling. Or texting. Or whatever. Are you going to pick up?